Hi there, welcome back. This time we're looking at VRA. Now this one is looking very interesting on the 1 day. Yes, we're down by 8%, but zoom out to the past month and you will see we are still dropping, but this trend has appeared to hit a bottom in relative days. And again, zoom out even further to the 3 month and you will see things really are not looking too bad. So the question for this video is, are we starting to find a bottom at this level? All of that and more is coming up in this episode. Make sure to leave a like in it and subscribe, but as always, do remember this is not financial advice and I am not a financial advisor. This is all just my opinion. But now we're going to dive in and we're going to have a look quickly at how this one has been going on. And like I said, first thing I want to do is actually zoom out a bit further and just acknowledge the trend that we are seeing in the past couple of months. So really, this one all started, or at least the biggest push for this one started back in late September going into early October. We went from a price down here of 27 cents climbing all the way up to a high which was in the 87 cent range, and again we're coming down from there right now, hitting our low in the 52 cent range, consolidating fairly nicely back again up here at 56, and again big push up take us to a high at 66, and now today we're coming back down, coming back almost to the same level in the 56 range, almost even the 57 range. So again, we're still not looking too bad and we still are holding up this level of consolidation, which really is finding its bottom at 56. Again, if you look to the actual body of the candlestick, we're coming up to the 58 range. Between 56 and 58, things are looking fairly good, so I'm not too concerned about the range that we are in now. And that's just a quick reflection on the technical chart on the 1 year. Now I'm going to go back to the simple chart and just acknowledge what we're seeing on a more recent basis. Yes, things are looking red, but as I said, we're finding that bottom right now and we are starting to consolidate and actually push up from that bottom, which is a very nice thing to see. Out to the 7 day and you'll see that things are actually looking fairly flat, especially from this point here on the 23rd. Now from this point you will see we haven't really moved too much at all. Yes, we've had the volatility, big pushes up, big pushes down, but really we're quite flat overall, and this actually is a good thing to see. And even on the 1 day, yes, we're dropping, of course we are, but you'll see that for this later part of the day we are now sat quite stable, which again could be interpreted as a good thing too. So the question is, are we going to start to see that push up, because it is looking like we have found the bottom? I think it is absolutely possible. It does depend on a number of factors. It depends on how interested people remain with this one, because of course that can be a big driver of price. Now what I want to look at for an indication of interest from investors is going to be volume. And volume can be seen in many different ways, but the way that I want to look at it over here is going to be in these candles at the bottom. And you'll see that volume in the past few days, and actually in the past few weeks, has been really good. We're going to zoom out a bit further and have a look at the weeks, and you'll see that even recently volume is still high. It's coming down from the ultimate highs when it was back here when the price took a massive spike up, but is volume still high? Yes, it is a lot higher than it has been back here, for instance, and this really is a good thing to see. Now overall the volume is looking relatively bearish, but again, once more, the volume is still here. We want to see the bullish volume come back in, we want to see the buying come back in, but the fact that a lot of trading is still going on here is a good thing. It does indicate to me that potentially we could be looking for some more upward momentum, but the question is, how high can this be? Of course, we are trying to look to break out above our previous level at around 87, somewhere in that range. It is absolutely possible. We want to see this happen, and it would have a, of course, it would take us to our next level. And when it comes to our bottom, again, we're looking at a range fairly similar to where we are. You'll see that we're finding a support at these absolute lows, like I said, around the 56, perhaps even a bit lower to the absolute wicks down here at 54. And again, this range between about 54 and 56, if not 58, is holding up fairly nicely. And we have been here in the past back here. So again, we do have a fair range of supports to be looking at, all the way from 54 up to 56, up to 58. Anywhere in those levels is looking really good. So I think right now we're looking to hold that support as we are doing so far. If that continues to be the case, we're looking for another day or two of consolidation, and then possibly we could be seeing another push up. Just my personal opinions, but I want to hear what you guys have to say in the comments, so do drop me one. But thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all again. Thank you for watching through till the end, but let me tell you about our Discord. So on your screen you will be seeing the N2S Finance Discord. Obviously it is split into multiple sections. Basically at the top we have updates from me and all that kind of good stuff. If you scroll down a bit further we have the main sections where we focus on cryptos, SPACs and other hot stocks including penny stocks, even stable growth stocks as well, and we even have a special AMC GME chat. If you scroll down you can see some research and DD from the community. We also have funny memes and you can see actual contributions from members down here. And again, if you do join us, it is completely free, link is down below. But if you do want to become a Patreon, you will actually get a pink sticker which will be displayed on your name. So your name will come up in pink as mine comes up in red down here, and that will show that you are a Patreon. But other than that guys, you can join completely for free down below. You do not have to pay anything if you do not want to. Thank you for watching, see you soon.